What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube trending page not showing up anymore here on YouTube application whenever you launch the YouTube application. Previously we used to have it in here, YouTube trends, but we do not have it anymore. Now the sad truth is that YouTube is slowly removing this feature because they found out that a lot of people are not using this feature anymore, so they're just rolling it out. So that's the sad truth, but I'm going to show you how you can find trending videos here on YouTube. Now, what you're gonna do is simply launch YouTube and then scroll it once, okay? And then you do have in here this section that allows you to see music, live, gaming, news, and sports. Let's, for example, tap on sports. You're gonna tap on sports. You need to hop into that specific section that you wish to check the type of trending content that we do have. Next up, let's quickly scroll down, and then we do have in here top stories, for example, which is something related to trending. It's as if you're going with trending, okay? And then, for example, you do have in here this section which exactly says trending. So you can hop into trending and you can see what's trending right now on sports section, okay? So you can do the same as well with, for example, gaming or news or stuff like that. Okay, you can go back and tap here again, tap on news, for example, okay? You can scroll down, top stories, we do have it over there. And then we do have for you and other sections as well, okay? So you can hop into entertainment, for example, you can hop into sports, business, you can hop into world, you can hop into national, you can hop into health, and a lot more sections over here. Now, the next thing you can do is you can also hop into your Safari, and then you can go all the way to youtube.com/feed/trending, okay? And then you want to simply hit go, and then you want to double check in here if you can find that specific trending page. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't show up, but this is exactly how you can actually find or check for trending videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.